Hi everybody, welcome back to my tropical garden here in the UK. Well, a couple of days ago I decided to clean out the filters that I've got for my koi carp pond because it was getting a bit cloudy and it's not very inviting to do these jobs during the winter. It's a bit cold and chilly. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you an update. As you can probably see, the water's nice and clear now. It's taken about 2 days to do that after I've cleaned out the filters. Now this is how the filters work. Down there, underneath all of those fish, you probably can't see it, you might be able to, is a pump, and that pumps water up through that pipe there, all the way up to this filter that I've got here. That one there pumps water into there, goes through various filters, and then it goes back into the pond through this waterfall that I've got here. Back in there, nice and clean. Now the other filter is over on the other side. I'll be back in a minute, I'll just go over there. So here we are on the other side. Now down in there, there's another pump. That pumps water up through this pipe, up there, behind that big tree. And then over here, I've got a 50-gallon tank in there with various medium for filtering, and the water gets cleaned, goes back out through various pipes and back into that very same waterfall that you can see over there. Works very well, just has to be cleaned out once, perhaps twice a year. And in this box, I haven't got it switched on, we've got an air pump, and when it gets really hot in the summer and the water gets a bit short of oxygen for the fish, so I turn that on and then that keeps them happy. Over the top I've got a sail. Now that keeps the sun off a bit. It also stops predators like herons from actually seeing the fish. It gets a bit noisy, flaps about a bit in the wind, but it does a good job. So that's it, that's my little koi carp update. I'm going to put the camera into a tripod, show you the fish, feed the fish, and just leave it running just for a little while so you can have a look. Back soon. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll leave the camera running for a bit and I'll see you guys again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.